Group ID self-service allows IT departments to delegate Active Directory group management to the end users who know them best, the actual owners of the groups. Billy Robertson, in our last demonstration, created a new group called Project X, where he added one member to it, who was Abby Watson. We go in, and Billy Robertson knows he needs to add some new users. There's a couple of different ways he can do this. So the first is just by modifying the membership of Project X. He knows that Billy Gibson needs to be a member of this group. So he simply selects Billy Gibson, pushes him over into the members category, hits OK, and Billy Gibson is now a member of the group. Since Billy Robertson owns this group, there's no workflow associated with it. He doesn't need anybody's approval to add or remove members. Another way he can do it is he knows that he has everybody in marketing who's a manager needs to be a member of the group as well. So he simply goes into advanced user search, types in marketing, puts manager in the title field, and does a search. He sees that all of these users need to be members of the group now, so he goes in to add these members to a group. It's as simple as it pulls up a listing of all the groups where he is the owner or has authorization to add people, selects Project X, hits OK. Then all of these members are now a member of the group. So if we go into Project X, which is Billy Robertson's group, we can now see in the members all of the new members here. He still has the same expiration date, so he doesn't need to renew it because that's pretty far in the future. If somebody wants to change the security type to an open membership or a closed membership, you can do it there. But what we're going to do today is go into delivery restrictions and decide we're only going to accept email from members of the same group. So we go in for groups and see Project X. And we're going to set a delivery restriction so email can only be sent from Project X to Project X. That way there can be no spam to it, and the group now has a little more security around it so no one else can find out about what's happening. So you can see all the history that we added 8 objects. And the reason we put objects there is because it could be a contact as well as a user or another group. We added Billy Gibson to the group, and we added Project X to accept email from itself. So you can see there, it's all the things you can do with your group, and that is how you can have your IT department delegate the all-important manner of managing groups to the end users who need it.